Don't forget your down jacket if you're going to somewhere cold. Please always bring it. How you guys doing? In today's video, I will be doing a pack with me. Yes, your girl is going on a trip. So I'm going to show you a few items that I put into my suitcase, some necessities, a little bit of tips and tricks on how to pack some stuff. This is going to be a special edition for winter because it is actually pretty cold right now here in Japan. So I'm just going to show you guys what I'm bringing in my suitcase. So yeah, let's do this video together. Ignore the background because I'm not sure if it's all tidied up. Okay guys, I'm going to show you really quickly what I put in my suitcase. I don't have much time. Girl is leaving today. So I'm just going to run through this very quickly and give you a bit of tips and tricks. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I have these little travel bags that I got from FRANC. I really love these because they have so many compartments inside. And what I do is I put my necessities in here. So I have roll-on, I have finishing spray, I have some of my makeup stuff in here. I also put my medication in here. So if you guys got medication, you can stick it in here, because it will be super secured. When you get to wherever you go, you can hang it up, and that's one of the cool features that I like about this. You can hang it anywhere, yeah, so you don't have to unpack everything. So this is a really cool bag. I got it from FRANC, and if you guys are looking for small compact bag that can fit some of your nice travel necessities in, then this bag, I do recommend it. This video is not sponsored, by the way. Everything I paid for with my own money. So yeah, let's get to the next stuff. I do use Ziploc bags. Sometimes when I buy stuff and they come in neat little Ziploc bags, I do not throw away the bags. I keep them. So this one, I kept it, and in here has like all my sanitizing stuff, because yeah, we're traveling in Japan. We still have to sanitize. Wearing mask is a must, so that's why I'm not bringing any red lipsticks. I'm just gonna bring like some really cool lip gloss. But I have in here some Q-tips, serum for my face, my toner, my hand sanitizer, my night cream, lip balm, and a mirror. Yeah, I put it in this Ziploc bag right here. Your girl has another bag from FRANC, yes. And in this bag I have masks, medication again, like if I'm having a headache, because sometimes you travel, you have a slight headache. So I have some Advil in here, I have powder, I have wipes. Yes, I have wipes, I have sanitizer, I have a lot of things. I have Victoria's Secret spray in here, yeah, so that you can spray yourself. These are not travel size. I just bring normal size because I'm traveling domestically, and that will be totally okay. We're taking the Shinkansen. I got some lotion, some spray, and one of my girlfriends from my job gave me this really nice pillow mist, so you can spray this on your pillow and sleep. It smells really, really good. It's actually lavender and sage. Beautiful. I bring it everywhere with me. Yeah, that about sums up this bag. It's easy to super zip, and you can even see everything inside, so I really love this bag. I got some other little bags that I put my intimacies in. My undies, my bra, I just put them in here. My socks, everything goes in one pack so that I can find it when I'm ready for it. The place we're staying is really cool, but I always like to have my blanket, so I brought a little blanket, and I also brought my own towel. Yes, I brought my own towel because that's just me. I always have a towel in my bag. I try to roll all my stuff when I pack it, so that when I open my suitcase, everything is there. I can see everything. So I'm just gonna roll this and put it back here. A girl is bringing her Santa hat because it's winter, and maybe I'll take some shots in this. Who knows? I have some heat tech that I got at Uniqlo. A lot of heat tech. I have heat tech to sleep in. I have other heat tech to wear under my jeans and stuff like that. My warm jeans. I got nice warm socks that I bought yesterday. And I also have a couple scarves. Yeah, really nice cool scarves that I bought. So that's one. And then there's another scarf. I'm just gonna put them in the bag as I show them to you. I bought some earmuffs because it's gonna be super cold, like -2 degrees. Whenever you're going somewhere, guys, you gotta check the weather because it's gonna be -2 degrees. So I'm bringing earmuffs. Bringing also TAMS, really nice, cool, warm TAMS that you can find anywhere. Really nice. That's one. I got another color because I got like 2 outfits. Oh, and there's another scarf. Yeah, guys, there's another scarf. So I bought a lot of scarf. One thing though, when I'm traveling, I always bring with me a bottle of water. So I went to the supermarket, I got me a bottle of water because it doesn't matter how many convenience stores are in Japan, a girl has to have her water. I have warm gloves. I keep them on top of here because when I get there, I'm gonna put them on. In Yokohama, it's not really cold right now, but where we're going, Gifu, Shirakawa-go is going to be pretty cold, so I'm just bringing a lot of warm gloves. We gotta be comfortable in the cold. Yeah, it's gonna be a beautiful trip, guys. I'm gonna be vlogging some of it, so stay tuned for the vlogs. I'm bringing some warm shoes. It's gonna be great, and I can't wait to vlog some of this so that you guys can see it. I do bring snacks with me wherever I go. I just put them in Ziploc bags and just throw them in my bag, because I'm also bringing this bag. This bag will have my laptop, my camera stuff, my chargers, everything will be in here, my Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna put some of my food in this bag so that I can reach it easily. I'm bringing some makeup, but I did not put them in my regular makeup pouches. I just put them in this Ziploc bag right here. Everything is in here and it's really compact, so that's why I really like it. My lip gloss, my blush, my eyeliners, everything fits in here. All my brushes, everything. So I really like it. I do bring paper towels because that's what I use to wipe my face. I do not use rags on my face. I use paper towels, so I'm bringing paper towels. I'm also bringing my facial cleanser, my oil cleanser, and my regular facial cleanser. I love these things. I'm not leaving them anywhere. But what I did was, when I bought it, it came with these little things that can actually stop it from dripping on your stuff. So I just put them back on here so that when I'm traveling with it, it doesn't mess up my clothes and things like that. I'm still gonna put them in Ziploc bags, but I also like this little tip right here. So if you buy them and you see these things on it, it just prevents it from spilling out, so you can keep them because they come in handy when you're traveling. So yeah, that's it for my facial stuff. Let's move on to some other stuff. The final thing I'm gonna mention, guys, is this, like these sheets that you put in your washer to make your clothes smell really good. I put them in my suitcase because I'm telling you, Hanti, when you open your suitcase, it's gonna be smelling really good. So I do put some of these in my suitcase. This one is Bounce. Doesn't matter which brand you get, but this will make your clothes smell super fresh when you open your suitcase, and I like that. Guys, if you like this pack with me video and you want to see more videos like this when I'm going on my trip, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments down below. I really want to know what you guys pack when you're going on your trips, wherever you go. So yeah, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, see you guys. Bye.